Nowadays more and more iPhone users tend to use the Notes app to record scattered but important information. However, you may accidentally delete notes on iPhone. In this video, we are going to show you how to recover permanently deleted notes on iPhone. Please keep watching. Tip 1. Recover deleted iPhone notes with recently deleted. Just like photos, the Notes on iPhone iPad also has the recently deleted feature. This means if you delete some notes by mistake, the deleted notes are still on your iPhone and keep them in the folder of recently deleted for 30 days. First, go to Folders on your iPhone. Then choose the recently deleted folder. Select the notes you want to recover. Swipe left and tap Folder button. Select the folder you want to move the deleted notes back to. Now you can go back to the folder to view recovered notes. Tip 2. Recover permanently deleted notes on iPhone. Get the latest version of Phone Rescue for iOS on your computer and launch it. Then connect your iPhone to your computer with a USB cable. After that, choose Recover from the iOS device option. By the way, you can customize your output format and export path in the settings below, before you start the recovery. Now, let's click the arrow button below to start the recovery. First, you will see a pop-up window to select the type of data you want to recover. Here, we only select notes and click OK to continue. Then it will scan your iPhone notes to enable you to preview. The larger size of data on your iPhone, the longer it will take to analyze. Please wait a few seconds. Now, you can preview all permanently deleted notes on your iPhone. Select the notes that you want to recover and you can choose to export to your PC. It will be exported to the path you selected before recovery, or to your device. If you choose to export to your iPhone, you will see a pop window like this, and your iPhone will reboot, upgrade config and require you to unlock. But don't worry, it won't cause any data loss on your iPhone. And please remember that don't unplug your device in the whole process. Now, the recovery process is completed, and you can go to your iPhone to check your permanently deleted notes are recovered. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more tips, and leave your comment if you have any question.